morning. I have a very early bus call, starting with some sensible bread. There you go. Going slowly. Dragon's carrot. When I say bread. Wow. Baby boo. And we get the lemon boy in the gummy. And I have a Dobby's on the best of master. I love Dobby. The best part of any pretzel is this part where it's like extra doughy in the center, so you always have to eat around it and then like that for a while.
We just discovered that Arthur is an artist.
He's not an odd bug. His nose does this. He has flattened with little ears, and an odd bug does this and it has little ears.
He's just a poor representation of an odd bug.
I drew him badly. I hate you. Also, to update the fam, I couldn't decide whether I wanted to say fans back home or the fam, so I just said the fam. One being my mother, love you mom. We are delayed because of weather in Orlando, so not sure what's gonna happen, but yeah, we're flying into Orlando and I'm like, can't we just go to Disney World? But then we're going to Tampa and we're gonna be on the beach. I'm so excited, but we are waiting. We thought we were boarding, we were incorrect.
You know what's great? Our company managers are on the plane right now.
Nothing is ever simple. We are going to perform in Maryland.
Hey.
And we are on the plane. Having a rough go of it today.
You know, you heard me.
Guys, this dad is
Siri,
having a rough go of it today. His little girl.
You didn't know that I was saying Aladdin.
Are you having a conversation with Siri?
I don't want to fight with you.
Is that so?
It sounds like you want to fight with me.
I'm not sure I understand.
Don't pretend like you don't know.
Oh, not again.
Oh, not again, sister.
Bitch. I feel like we're going to Disney World and I'm upset that we're not. There's Disney things everywhere.
And then it's solidified with security at the first place, and it took 5 hours to get over it.
Why is it not in the airport? Why is it a separate location?
It's fun. Look at all the
That's just how it is. Because look at all the swamps. There's swamps behind you.
But why is it not in the same location? Why is that?
Because I think the way that
It's a big airport.
I'm doing it. I'm just very uneasy about it. Like I accept it. I accept this is where I am. So apparently 24 flights came in at the same time because of the weather delays. So the baggage claim is madhouse. I'm so overwhelmed. We have giant bugs. This is okay. Who do we call? Ghostbusters.
I honestly, like, I don't
That
do
one's
bugs.
dying.
Like, I don't do bugs. I'm sorry. I'm brave, but I'm not brave.
Okay.
Check our beds.
Yeah, I don't want bugs in my bed. They look
I
clean.
feel like they're just, like, on the curtain because it's close to the AC.
Right.
Open the window?
I'm just gonna kill them.
Okay. And the Lord will forgive us. It's just gross bugs. Oh, it's crawling, Jenny!
I don't know if that's one or two having sex.
What?
It looks like there are two on top of each other.
No, that's one. Oh. Oh my god. That's 2 bugs.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm itchy. Oh. Oh.
Where did it go?
Oh.
Where did it go?
Is that guts?
Yes! It's guts. I
Oh.
don't know where it went.
Okay. Okay, get that one. Get that one.
So I think it's over to
Just get it.
I think I did it. They were screaming. They're so pretty. I did it with a towel.
Sorry, I don't do bugs.
There was a lot of guts. Honestly, the 2 that were having sex, At least they probably died happy, you know?
There's 2 of them. They were moving.
It was
in
the most.
tandem.
It was the most guts I've ever
Honestly,
seen
we're
while
sorry
killing a
that we ruined
bug.
their day, but
I mean, but we have an ocean view, so that'll be fun tomorrow.
yeah.
I feel. Oh God. We got our pigtails. We're ready to go get some food on the food on the boardwalk.
Oh, beach dick, let's go.
You're like your shit now and
Good morning, beach. Oh my God, we're literally right here. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. Who's gonna go in that stupid pool? No one, because we're at the beach. Going to the water! Just
Apparently, it's not too bad. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, baby.
Take a minute to get used to.
Yeah, but like not bad. Also, this is our hotel. How cool. Too much? Oh, I love it. He's already in. Go, James, go! Ah, no, you're so cute. Work. Introduce the tour photographer. Gotta swim in the water. Yes, baby, watch it on your back. You're so hot. I love that suit. Yes, and a little Mitchie over here.
Like the sky is clear and also people drive on this beach. That is, I've never seen it anywhere. And they're just cars, just hanging on the beach.
Literally, I'm so confused by it.
I know. Look, there it goes.
Water was so warm. I always sing Moana when I'm in the ocean because it's necessary, and I loved it. And the air is cold. I'm excited for the sun to come out. The water's lovely. I've been waiting so long to have a beach day, and we're finally doing it, and I'm so happy. Hi, beautiful Linda. I love you. The exception. Look at my freaking hair. Oh, what do I want? I like the chocolate flavors too. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I think I might get just Dippin' Dots. They have root beers float. Oh my god. The best day ever. La 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 la.
ice cream. I love me some ice cream. Ice cream. I love me some ice cream. Got Dippin' Dots. I'm so happy. Thank you, ice cream truck.
What a surprise! Linda got a chocolate banana. What is that supposed to mean? I don't know. Give me good ice cream.
Yummy.
But it's so weird. It's literally just an ice cream truck on the beach.
This.
Oh, am I looking slightly sun-kissed?
Yes.
Yes, you always look soft.
This is just incredible.
My hair is wild.
Oh yeah.
Hello, beach hair. Do I look tan? I don't look burned at all, but I do look a little tan. You think?
Do I look anything?
I'm covered in sand, but worth it.
I'm wearing.
To move off the beautiful patio because the birds are attacking people.
He's the love of my life.
Excuse me?
I'm just gonna make it clear in the room that
Wow, we had such a wonderful day after the beach. So I went there at 10 o'clock and then people joined probably around 11:30ish. And then we got lunch around 1 and then we went and sat by the pool and swam in the pool. It was 10 feet deep, which was wild. Yeah, it was so wonderful. And now I'm gonna take a shower, and then Kirby and I are gonna run to a crystal store real quick because it has some cool reviews. I'm looking for some more rose quartz. And then we have a show. So it's exactly what I needed. A beautiful, beautiful day on the beach.
Here's the theater. I love palm trees.
Me too.
There we go. Okay, so there's the box office. Okay.
Can you see the french fries?
Yep. He's eating it with his toast.
Will you spread them for me? Yes, baby.
In the back of the mic, I'm trying to live it up like I'm living the hype. What you know about me got a soul worth saving. I'm trying
He's
to
a nerd too. I like him.
Okay, thoughts on Hannah.
Oh, wow.
I like her.
Honestly,
I love Hannah.
we're
Yeah.
ready for this.
I am so pleasantly surprised. Yeah, me too.
Women are strong and they don't need a man to tie them down, but we love love.
Me. You
Definitely.
You don't know me.
But like, kind of.
Wait, Jenny and Linda do Inception 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna hate her, but I am a big
Dare
fan.
I say a better first episode
Donkey
than
Kong?
Oh yeah.
I like him.
You know, I really, really like her. No one owns her. She knows what she deserves. She knows that she's loved no matter what, and she's a boss-ass bitch, and I'm real excited to watch her journey. Okay, Hannah, you swayed me. You got me. Let's go.